are going to learn one new lesson from your English textbook, that is the nightingale. What is the meaning of nightingale? You all know this is the name of one of the bird. Okay, so this story is depending on the same bird. Now I am going to tell you the summary. Many days before, in the olden days in China, there was an emperor, there was a kingdom, and there was a king. His kingdom and his palace was so beautiful that many of the outside people, they used to come and see or admire the beautiful kingdom, the lovely palace, the garden. Everything was very beautiful. So from the far away, the people, they used to come and to admire or to see the palace, the beautiful garden. So people were they used to enjoy to see this all. And in the same palace garden, there was a bird. See this bird, nightingale. Its name is nightingale. This bird, it is to sing very sweetly. It is to sing the melodious songs. So the people used to hear that song, and they were very advanced. They were thinking that which is this bird? They could not see the bird. Only they used to hear the sound. So whenever they used to come in the garden, they were eager to hear the sound, and they used to enjoy the song, the sweet song, the sweet voice, the melodious songs of this bird. So people they started always visiting the palace and the garden. So one day when the king he heard about this bird, means when he heard the sweet voice of this bird, he was thinking that till now I don't know that so sweet singing bird is there in my garden. So he said that I want this bird to come to my palace and sing for me. So what he did, he sent all his palace soldiers and everybody to bring that bird to his palace. But nobody were knowing that where this bird lives. In this such a big forest, dense forest, with thick forest, there was a thick forest around the palace. So no one knew that where exactly that bird was living. Where is that bird's nest? No one knew. So nobody could bring that bird to the palace. But one of the small girl, she told the emperor, the king, she told that I know where this bird stays. So I will show you we all will go to the forest, and I will show where this bird stays. So all of them, whole half of the kingdom people went behind that girl to find the bird. And when they went, they went down under one tree, tall tree, and she showed that here is that bird. Everywhere where everyone saw at that bird was a small grey color bird, and so all were very unhappy. Because why? Because they thought that bird sings so sweetly, so sweet her voice is, she might be very beautiful. They thought that bird also might be very beautiful. But when they saw that bird sitting on the tree, it was not as beautiful as they all were thinking. It was a very small, dull bird. See this way? It was grey in color, and it was a small, dull bird. But the girl said, they all told that your voice is so sweet, and the king wants you to come and stay in the palace. So as the bird, she was saying that I am having the sweet voice in this forest, but as the king has told me to come to his palace, I am ready to come. So she came to the palace and she started singing every day the sweet songs for the king, and king also used to enjoy her songs, and he was very happy. And so even the bird also started staying in one of the cage. The golden cage was made for the bird, and delicious food to eat. So the bird started staying in the palace itself. But one day what happened? After days were passed, one day one of the parcel came to the king. It came to the king, and on that parcel it was written nightingale. It was written nightingale. So the king, he opened the parcel and he saw inside. What he saw? There was a bird. See this bird? It was golden bird. Golden bird. he had got the parcel from outside. So when he opened, he saw the bird. It was golden bird. So he opened and removed that bird. And what he did, there was a key for that bird. See, you all know, students, see, you might be having the small toys at your home, isn't it? When you put the key for that toy start dancing. If it is a joker, it starts dancing. For the small children, they enjoy that, isn't it? And when the key, it stops, how much ever key you round it up, after that, when it stops, even the toy starts playing, okay? So suppose if in our, before you might be having even the aeroplanes, then small cars, which you all used to play when you were small. That time you used to put that key and leave it. And when that key is to get over, the toy is to stop. You all know this type of toys. They might be at your home now also. In same way, this bird also was having a key. When that king, he turned the keys, what happened? The bird started singing sweetly. So melodious song it started singing. So all the people in the palace were very happy that they had got the golden bird. This golden bird, beautiful bird, which is to sing anytime. Whenever he is to round the key, that bird is to sing for the king, and even all the kingdom people also were happy. The court people, his people around him, they used to hear, and whenever they want to hear, they used to round the key and they used to hear, and they used to feel very happy that they can hear this bird anytime. So what happened? This bird, the real life nightingale, she flew away from the window because she thought that the king has got the toy bird which is to sing anytime for the king. So what happened? After 1 year passed, the king felt ill. Sorry. After 1 year, the king felt ill. And what happened? When he felt ill, he said that, see that live bird have flew away. So what happened? After a year, what happened? The king felt ill. So what he thought that he want to hear again all the songs, sweet songs, melodious songs from this golden bird. So what he did, he said that his servants, his people in the palace, that I want to hear the song. So when they brought this golden bird near him, and what happened? They put that key, but from that bird was born from inside, means it had stopped. It was not singing. So the music from that bird, it has got over. Understood? Because 1 year has passed and it was not a live bird. It was an artificial golden bird. It was not a live, so it was not working. The music has got finished from that bird. So that bird could not sing a song for the king. So king was felt ill and he was very sad that he could not hear the song which he wanted to hear. But what happened? One evening, he heard a sweet song, sweet melodious voice outside his window, and he saw that same live, this nightingale, she had come near the window. She had heard from the outside that king is ill and he want to hear the voice of this bird. So as soon as she heard from in the forest about the illness of the king, she came to the king's she came back to the palace. Outside the window on the tree she was sitting, and she sang a sweet melodious song for the king. Hearing this song, the king was very happy and he was cured. He became well. He was not again fallen ill. He was so happy. His mind has become again joyful. He enjoyed the song and he was cured. So the king called the nightingale back to the palace and he said that now I want you are the live bird, and I want you to again stay in the palace for me to sing the melodious songs. But the nightingale, what she promised that I want one promise from you, that from now onwards you will not keep any of the bird in the cage. You should not keep any of the bird in the cage in your palace. So I promise you that every evening I will come and sing one song, one sweet melodious song for you. I will come every day. So the king also was very happy hearing her promise, and he said, yes, I will not keep any bird in the cage, and from now onwards every evening you have to come to me and sit on the tree or outside the window and sing a melodious song for me. So even the king was very happy, and even the nightingale, this bird also was very happy. She flew away happily to the forest, and king also was cured. So the king understood that not to keep any of the bird in the cage, and from now on that he also kept his promise, and even this bird nightingale, she kept the promise for singing the song every evening for the king. Understood, students? I think you might have liked this story very much. And so you have to read this lesson again and again to understand it properly, and even the dictation words you have to learn so that you can write all the answers very correctly without doing